In this video, I'll demonstrate how to lock WhatsApp on your iPhone for added security and privacy. But before we get started, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this feature, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback is essential in helping us create better content for you. Now, let's jump right into the guide. First, let's open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you've deleted it, you can easily reinstall it from the App Store. Open the Shortcuts app. Tap on Automations. Create a new personal automation. Tap on App. Choose WhatsApp from the list. Tap Done. Now tap Next. Tap Add Action. In the search bar, type Timer. Select Start Timer. Set the timer duration to 1 second and make sure to change minutes to seconds. Tap Done. Open the Clock app and navigate to the Timer section. Tap on When Timer Ends. Make sure Stop Playing is selected and press Set. That's it. Now, when you open WhatsApp, your iPhone will automatically lock after 1 second. To unlock it, you'll need to use Face ID or enter your passcode. This added layer of security ensures that your WhatsApp conversations remain private. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and remember that you can find more tutorials on our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com.